Hey guys, very good evening and welcome back to another vlog. So another week, another weekend and another Sunday. Okay, so today's vlog is not going to be on cars and all. Today we are actually going for a Dhow cruise trip, okay, which is basically in Dubai Canal in Jeddah. Okay, so there will be like live performances, then cruising is there in the Dubai Canal, okay, and then you have some other activities and all. So let's see what kind of activities are there. By the way, my love is behind me, standing and staring at me right now. Okay, and by the way, before we proceed further, I just bought some clothes. Actually, these are my old clothes, okay, which are no longer in use, okay, not fitting also and not in a very good condition. So instead of throwing out these clothes, now we have this collection boxes, okay. So these are like some kind of collection boxes where you can only put your clothes over here, okay, no other money and all. So this is a good initiative by the government. If you don't want any of your clothes, you all can just put it inside and let it go for some other purpose, okay. So I will just show it to you. Yes, the clothes also have gone inside. So this is a very good initiative by the government of UAE. Okay, so if at all you don't want any clothes and all, please don't throw it out into rags and all. Okay, don't be so Indian also. You can use this kind of collection boxes and you can dispose the clothes of. It will go for some good cause only, okay. So right now let's head towards our building because I'm actually going with Mr. Parveen, and Mr. Parveen was not ready. He was getting ready a bit, so I thought let's take our car out, okay, by that time, and by the time he's ready I'll get the car over there also. So let's head towards Dubai Canal Al Jeddah. Mr. Parveen from Bangalore. All good. Mr. Parveen will come some chai also for us. Yeah. So Mr. Parveen and I, we are both going towards Al Jeddah now. Okay, and this is Lulu parking. Okay. So. Okay guys, finally we have reached, okay, the destination. We have to just walk for another 5 minutes and then we'll be reaching the destination, okay. I will keep on giving you the updates after some time. Okay guys, so we have reached the area, okay, the Jeddah waterfront. So all this part that you see, okay, and this is the canal area over here. So right now we are walking towards the Dhow cruise boat, okay. So the Dhow cruise boat is basically a traditional boat over here, okay. We have booked a traditional one only because we just wanted to experience the traditional one, okay. You all have the other yacht option also, which is actually extra for it, but I just wanted the normal one, okay. So I will giving you the updates after some time.
Things will never be the same again, you know. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
Okay guys, so finally we have come to the cruise, okay. This is the entire Dhow cruise. This is the traditional one and this is basically the yacht one, okay. So this yacht it's a different price, and for this it's a different price, okay. So we wanted to experience the traditional Dhow cruise, okay. Dhow cruise means a traditional boat in Arabic, okay, and so that's the reason we have chosen the traditional one, okay. So now let's get inside the boat, okay. You have a boarding pass also which they give you, and then you have to get inside, okay. So let's get inside the pass now. So currently we are on the top deck. Okay, there are 2 decks over here. Mr. Parveen is busy sending photos to his wife. Okay, right now we are on the top deck over here, and I guess there are more 15 minutes, right? Yeah, there are more 15 minutes actually, so for the cruise to start. And you have 2 sections. One is on top, okay, the top view, just like how we are sitting over here, and one is the down view. Okay, so down there will be performances and all. So that's the reason after some time we will be going down, and right now we are come on top. Okay, so right now those people who are thinking that how should we get into, how should we book it, then there are many options over here. Okay, you can go on Instagram, okay, and or Facebook, and you can contact the people. This is Dow Cruise in Canal. Okay, this is not in Marina is expensive, that's why we came over here to Canal, and the price per person is 40 dirhams. Okay, so 40 dirhams including for food and all the activities and all. Okay, so that's the reason we have chosen this. So after some time there will be all these things which are starting also, so we'll be going and we'll be exploring. Okay, we'll give you some insights as to how things are going on. Okay guys, so this is the 4-star Dow Cruise tour. Okay, so this is something like that only. Now this also started. I don't know what's the problem with our Dow Cruise, they have not yet started. Okay, so this also looks really beautiful and nice. Okay, really a memorable experience.
Don't drag it out. Skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know.
So around 5:15 p.m. our Dow Cruise already started. It took us 15 minutes extra because of some delay, and here we are already in the Dubai Canal region. Okay, a very beautiful place, and this properties over here on the right hand side that you see, this is all Dubai Festival City, managed by Al Futtaim. They have their various industries, manufacturing units and offices which are managed exclusively by Al Futtaim. And the other side over there, that is all Dubai Creek. So after some time they even started with the Tanura dance. Now this Tanura dance is basically an Arabic performance. Okay, and the guy that you see over there, he is mostly spinning around. Okay, it was very nice to see him dancing. Okay, so he almost danced for around 20 minutes in each and every area, and the dance was only held on the top deck, it was not on the lower deck. So make sure that you go a bit early, otherwise you will not get to see the Tanura dance in the other performances. And this was the only dance which was there was no other performance which was available. So after the performance and Tanura dance, there was a lot of spare time. In that they were playing some Bollywood music, and this part that you see, this is Dubai Creek Harbour, one of the beautiful areas in the region, and this is the view of the traditional Dow Cruise along with the views of the Burj Khalifa. So if you take the Dubai Canal cruise, then definitely you will get the views of the Burj Khalifa and all the views of the Dubai Festival City. Really a nice place for photography. After some time the food counters also got opened. There is an option for veg as well as non-veg, but limited options for vegetarians. So if you're a non-vegetarian, you will enjoy it. But speaking about the food, there were only 5 to 6 items. Food was okay, I will not complain much. Also the taste also is not so great. So if at all you are going only for the food, then I would say please not to go. If you're going, go for the vibes. Food is okay, not that authentic, not that tasty as well. So after dinner we almost had like 15 to 20 minutes of cruising in the Dubai Canal. A very nice place, specifically if you take the cruise from 5 to 7, because this is a time where you can take good photos and videos. This is the ideal time. So if at all you don't want good photography and all, you just want to enjoy the vibes, then you can come for 7 to 9, which is again a very nice time, specifically in the night. Okay guys, so I hope you saw the entire Dow Cruise. Okay, so this was the traditional Dow Cruise tour which was there. It was for around 40 dirhams per person. Okay, the rates keep on changing according to what kind of Dow Cruise you need. Okay, so this was a very traditional Dow Cruise. We just wanted to enjoy and see the authenticity of the Dow Cruise tour. Okay, and in that only you have refreshments and you have food also which is being given. Okay, I couldn't record a lot of things because there was all this Bollywood and Arabic music that was going on, and because of that copyright strike also could have come. So I will try to just put some voiceovers and all. So if I at all you ask me the experience, then it was not so good also, not so bad. It was okay. But we'll ask Mr. Parveen, how was the experience?
Very nice, wonderful.
Wonderful. Okay.
Wonderful experience.
Yeah. So next time Mr. Parveen will come with his wife and kids.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Should
Next
be,
time.
should be.
Next time all four of them will be coming. Okay. So the experience was okay. I would not complain.
We enjoyed.
We enjoyed. We mostly came for the water views only. Okay, we just wanted to see how the cruise goes, and once in a lifetime you have to enjoy it. Okay, because we'll not talk much about cars this year. As I've told you on the New Year's day only, we'll not talk much about cars. We'll try to diversify our vlogging. Okay, so slowly we are coming out. Okay, slowly we'll be going. Correct, Mr. Parveen? Slowly we'll go somewhere or the other. Okay, so that was it for today's vlog. I hope you liked the entire video. Please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell. Otherwise, you will not get any of my crazy updates. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next upcoming